Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I got a leak in my windshield and I'm about to fix it. This is the short version, so if you want to watch the longer version or if you have any questions, please go watch the longer version of this. Let's get to it. If you like videos like this, please go check out my channel. The best way to find things like my truck and all the other rigs and things that I do is by going to the playlists. This particular one is a 98 GMC/Chevy playlist, so go check that one out if you want to see more on this truck. Otherwise, I have a lot of other vehicles, and not just Chevys. I got Fords, I got Jeep, I got everything in between. I got all kinds of rigs, so go check out my channel and go to my playlist, and I have handyman as well as automotive stuff going on. So, in the midst of checking things out for my windshield fix here, or the leak fix, I noticed while checking out the moldings that this molding here that's on the other side of the windshield gasket here, or door gasket here, and then you got your windshield surround molding here, and then there's this piece right here. On the other side it was going all the way up, and on this side it's not. So then I got inside here, and you probably can't see because I don't have enough light. This is way down here in the door. So this whole molding needs to be brought back up. Oh, see, it's just coming completely out here, so. So this is what I'm going to try and use. It's the Loctite PL polyurethane sealant for roof and flashing. I believe it does say somewhere on here that it works on glass, but it's the polyurethane sealant. That's what you want, is some sort of polyurethane. It's kind of what the windows are originally put in with and sealed with, is polyurethane sealant of some sort. Now you could go on Amazon and there's Window Weld and a few other products. The Window Weld, from what I saw, it dries harder and faster, which I want to give myself some time, which this takes like 7 days to completely dry. I don't know, I haven't read to see how long before I can worry about it leaking, but regardless, this will give me a little bit more time. There are other sealants for window sealants or polyurethane window stuff as well that aren't as fast, but this was at the Lowe's. I actually went to Home Depot, bought one, and they only had the white, and I didn't realize it was white. For some reason I thought these were just, I figured it would all just be black, but obviously not. So then I ended up at Lowe's to try and find one that was black. Alright, so I'm definitely going to kind of remove this time from my experience from the last one. Also this here. Oh, you rotten thing. Alright, that looks good. So you definitely don't want to tape over the edge here. You want to leave this edge completely done, because when you're done here, this whole thing is covered up, so. And then, once again, we got the crimp side goes down, and you definitely just take this and shove it, hopefully underneath this. It went really well once I got this part going, but it took a little bit. I made a mess. I'm going to pop this out some. It definitely doesn't want to go up underneath there as well. Take a little bit of encouragement. There we go. And then just kind of let it go its way. This part is not super easy. There we go. Then when all's said and done, any mess you made, take mineral spirits and clean it up. There's the worst part right there. But as you can see, the rest of the way over it doesn't look half bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Well, time will tell whether or not it's leaking or not. But hopefully this will let this last a little bit longer before I have to take this window out so I can grind out the surface rust that we got here, this kind of stuff. All that's gonna have to be sanded down real good, and I can't really do a good job of it with the glass in there anyway. But as you can also see, the rest of it down there looks real good. That side actually turned out really good. This side not so much because there was such a big gap right here. And I will show you, you can see this window is sticking out quite a ways, and you can't even see this molding over here that I put on the other side of this is actually under the door here. And then on this side, here's the molding all the way down. You can see it all the way across here. So this whole window is pushed that way and fell down. I don't know if that happened when they put it in last or what. I do know that, I believe anyways, this hood is like a aftermarket or used hood that's been repainted, and I think it got smucked in the front end. But yet again, that's how you get rigs for less money, is buying somebody else's junk and making it better as you go, or sometimes making it worse as you go. But in the end, I'm happy with this. Yet again, time will tell whether or not it'll leak. If it does, you guys will be the second to know after me, and yet again the rest of my family probably. But as soon as I can get a video out about it, I will. Alright, hope you liked it. If you want any more information on it, go check out my long video. If you like these kind of videos, go check out my channel, and the best way to find things is by going to my playlist. My playlist has every single vehicle I own that I've worked on camera, as well as my house, my kid's house, and my mom's place as far as handyman stuff. So go check out my channel if you're interested in any of those. Yet again, go look at the playlists. The playlists have all my different kind of videos so that you can watch just the ones you want to watch. Alright, thanks for watching Junk Works DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.